Hi, I'm Catherine Story, and I want to give you some indie design tips for your lookbook, product page, for something like that. Regardless if you are have a full collection or if you're just starting out and you have 3 pieces, you need to decide how you're going to have them photographed. I've had a lot of different experiences around this for my website, and it's one of the most challenging things I've had to do and learn what is my aesthetic in this. There are so many different ways you can go about this. You can have it on a model. Mostly it should be a plain backdrop so you can really just see the item. You shouldn't be doing editorial in these shoots. The clients really want to just see the piece. Now, I've had a response from, if they see the model's head and they relate with the model, they will probably buy it, but if they don't, they probably won't. I'd say that's an issue. So it is good to have it on a body. I've had people say, I want to see it on a body. And then I've had people say they don't want to see it on a body. This is Martin Margiela. You can see there's definitely, his aesthetic is here. This is Urban Outfitters. You can see it's got a younger vibe. It's not as polished. It's not supposed to be. Loewe. Well, what can I say? It's immaculate. And this is a screenshot of my web page. Again, super clean. This is the way I like it. So my advice to you is to go through and look at your favorite designers and see how they are presenting themselves visually, not editorial wise. Like, that's a whole different thing. That's where you show the lifestyle, the whole thing behind it. Just look at a clean, how they're selling their items on their websites. And start and just play with something and have fun with something. And if you have any questions or any feedback, please let me know. DM me on IG.